This video introduces the new running power data screen on the Venu 3 series. Now, you can easily monitor the intensity of your runs by viewing your running power directly on the watch. When you start a running activity in the default state, the watch will ask, "Add running power?" Clicking OK will immediately display the running power data screen for all running activities. This allows you to assess exercise intensity in real time right from your wrist effortlessly. If you can't find the running power page on the data screen, long press the bottom right button to access Run Settings. Scroll down to Running Power, where you can choose to enable or disable according to your preference. That's it. If you want a more in-depth understanding of the running power feature, please check out the detailed tutorial video. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.